Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Artistic IK and I am Yukta. So today we are going to see a pizza recipe. So we are not going to use any yeast, oven or maida in this recipe. So it's really easy and with homemade base actually. So I know you guys will love it. So stay tuned and watch till the end. 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoons powdered sugar, half a tablespoon baking soda and some yogurt. Now into our whole wheat flour we are going to add salt, powdered sugar, baking soda and then we are going to knead it using yogurt, dahi. Now knead the dough for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Make it really soft and then place it in a bowl, cover it and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes and the dough has rested well. It won't rise like a yeast dough does, but it will be softer. Again knead it for 2 to 3 minutes and then divide it into 2 portions and roll it with a rolling pin or a baler and make a round base. If you want thick base, you can roll it thick. If you want a thin base, you can roll it thin. Now take any type of plate or if you have pizza pan and then grease it with oil and put your base onto the pizza base. So for the garnishing I have taken 1 chopped capsicum, some sweet corns, onions and tomatoes. And for the pizza sauce I'm using Vega's pizza sauce, some chili flakes, oregano and the cheese you can use mozzarella cheese, but I have used that goat cheese blend. It's already the chopped one. You can use cheese cubes if you want and some paneer. Now spread some pizza sauce onto your pizza base and put all the veggies and cheese onto it. And what I like to do is I like to put my chili flakes and oregano before the cooking because the taste of oregano and chili flakes blends perfectly into the pizza. Now take a kadhai, put some salt in it and place a stand, cover it with a lid and then let it preheat for at least 5 to 10 minutes on the medium heat. So if you have any doubts about the salt, you can use it again for the baking. So before putting your pizza into the kadhai, you just have to grease your pizza corners with some oil. Now put your pizza into the kadhai really carefully because the kadhai is really hot, so be careful, and then bake it for 35 to 45 minutes onto the medium heat. Now it's been 35 minutes and my pizza is done. You just have to check the bottom of the pizza. If it's golden brown, then it's done. Now place it onto a plate, cut it and enjoy it. I hope you guys love this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below if you have any doubts and suggestions.